how a legend was born, coming up on the history of rock and roll.
AT&T True Voice. A Bell Labs breakthrough so advanced it's patented. One of 25,000 AT&T patents for technology. Some competitors say True Voice is no big deal, but 4 out of 5 of their own customers prefer it. Decide for yourself. Call now for a demonstration.
Sure. I use Tylenol for aches and pains and fever, but I found that Excedrin relieves headaches better. How did I find out? I had a headache. That's how I found out.
Excedrin, the headache medicine.
Wow, you still have a Tri-Cleanse, the conditioning color enhancer. It's subtle. It just gives your color a kick. And there's no commitment. Glints washes out in 8 shampoos.
8 is great.
Glints by Clairol.
Give your color a little kick.
The virus spreads.
We got 19 dead. We got 100 more infected, spreading like a brush fire.
The panic rises.
260 million Americans will be dead or dying.
The greatest medical crisis in history begins.
There will be panic the likes of which we have never seen.
Dustin Hoffman, Rene Russo, Morgan Freeman.
We can't stop it.
Outbreak, rated R, starts Friday, March 10th at a theater near you.
I like the filter lights, please.
The hundreds. Soft pack.
The thin ones. In a box.
The menthol kings? Yeah, the green guys.
Every day, 500,000 American kids buy their cigarettes from a friendly neighborhood pusher.
Double 100. Soft pack.
I like the filter lights, please.
Hey, 2 packs. Wouldn't want to run out.
Vending machines don't know any better. But what about the rest of us?
The laughter's through the roof when Jonathan Taylor Thomas is in the house. In America's #1 movie. Man of the House, rated PG, now playing. And coming March 24th from Disney. 3 legendary heroes are looking for a new partner. And one young boy's out to prove he's the right man for the job. Disney's Tall Tale, The Unbelievable Adventures of Pecos Bill, rated PG.
Okay. At Round Table, we make all kinds of veggie pizzas.
Oh, at the other place, we just had one. The lousy meatless pizza.
Uh-huh. Here's your fresh spinach.
Fresh? Oh, but lousy's the can is king.
Yeah. Well, you're at Round Table now.
I'm at Round Table now.
There's your fresh tomatoes.
Whoa! Look at this big pickle.
That'd be a fresh zucchini, Eddie.
Oh, there's a new one on me.
Oh, well, you'll get it.
I'll get it.
Try the new Garden Pesto Pizza, only at Round Table.
The simple notion of playing the game with grace and joy has returned. Say hello to Grand Hill.